What up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I picked up some parts for the Hondita CB7. Some parts that I needed, some parts that I wanted. I needed the driver's side mirror and I needed the rear view mirror because both of them are broken on my car, and I wanted to get the trunk because I want to do the 50/50 taillights, and they don't sell them. They don't make them for the coupe. They only make them for sedan. So if you have a coupe, you need to purchase or you need to get the trunk from a sedan and swap them with the coupe so you can get the taillights. That's if you want to do the 50/50s, which I want to do. So yeah, I found a white trunk. I found other ones, they were different colors. I just didn't want to paint them. So yeah, I kind of lucked out, found a white one. And yeah, as soon as I saw it on Marketplace, I had to go pick it up. So yeah, now I just gotta clean these parts and get them on the car. Alright, so right now, since I just washed the trunk and the mirror, I'm letting those dry outside. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out that mirror right here. As you guys can see, it's broken, so I'm gonna swap it out. And you're gonna pop out this cover right here. And then you got 3 screws you gotta take out. And now we just put the new one in. Put the cover back on. Now I just gotta replace the mirror. Should be pretty easy. Just remove that cover, remove the nuts. Alright, so I ran into a little issue trying to mount up the new one. It didn't work, didn't line up with the door. So I'm gonna try to swap out the mirrors. Hopefully this one mounts onto the bracket, so I don't have to use zip ties on the broken one anymore, because that looks ugly. So hopefully this works. I'm just gonna swap out the mirrors and see what happens. Alright, so this is so dumb, but I had to make this work. So I went ahead and cut the clip because it wouldn't go through the freaking bracket, and I took it apart on this one. And there's no way I can disconnect it right here so I can, you know, feed it out or whatever. But so I just went ahead and clipped them. So now I just gotta resolder connector back on and just put everything back together. Everything works, it fits, but I wouldn't recommend you guys doing this. Just buy the correct mirror for your coupe or sedan, whatever, but so you guys don't have to go through all this extra steps. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the trunk. All I gotta do, I think, is just remove the harness, disconnect all the lights and stuff, and the cable, the trunk release cable. I gotta disconnect that. I think I gotta take these 3 bolts out and then pull this out, and then we can disconnect the cable from there, and just pull all the wires out of this, and then just unbolt it. And I also just received the tail lights too, so I have everything to get this all finished up. So yeah, we'll get to it. So now I just gotta pop this out of there. And up over the top right here, there's like a little cut off on the top. And that's it. Cable's loose. Alright, so for the harness, I think it's held on by 2 clips, like those right there. That one right there. And then just disconnect all the connectors, and it should be able to come out. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick. Alright, so now that everything is disconnected, go ahead and just pull everything out. Try not to pull it super hard, just because the clips might get stuck on something. So just be careful, you don't want to break any of the clips. Alright, so now with everything out of the way, I can go ahead and remove the trunk now. Okay, so on this side, I'm just gonna leave it resting right there. Hopefully it doesn't break the glass, but now I'm just gonna move on to the other side. Alright, there it is. Got the trunk off the car right over there. I'm about to put the new one on. If you are doing this by yourself, just be careful taking off the trunk. If you can, try to get like a friend or somebody to help you. That way, you know, one person on each side taking it off would be easier. But I mean, you can't do it by yourself. I just had one corner sitting on the glass right there, and then I'm just holding it on this side, It wasn't too bad, but if you can't get a friend to help you, definitely do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new one on, get this all finished up. So before I continue, I want to swap over the key lock so I can keep using my key, and I also need to get the license plate lights transferred over. Okay, so this is not going to work. As you guys can see, the locks are different. One is short, the other one is longer, so it just won't work. So I'm just going to keep it the way it is for now until I figure something out. I did want to keep my key, but looks like I won't be able to. So hopefully I can find like a separate lock so I can have keys to go with it. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, and until I figure something out. But yeah. Alright, let's see if I did this right. I'll close it. God damn. Alright, got a working trunk. So now gotta put on the lights and then we'll be done. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of these tail lights right here. Ooh-wee. Fucking sick. Yep, these are fucking clean. All right, so now let's just put them on the car. Alright, so I was getting ready to put on the inner ones, and I noticed a little chip right here. So I'm going to contact the seller. Hopefully I can get a replacement piece for this. But as of right now, I'm just going to transfer everything over from the old one, like the lights and the cover and everything. And I'm just going to put it on like this on the car for now. Let's see what we could, see if I can get a replacement for this. But as of right now, I'm just going to put it on like this. I forgot that I also ordered some new brake lights, strobe brake lights. I got these on Amazon. I'll put a link to everything that I used in this video in the description. But yeah, so if you guys want to buy anything, just check the video description. I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out. I forgot to put them on the other one, so I'll swap those out too. But since I remember right now, I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out. There it is, guys. All done, all completed. Thing looking nice. But yeah, I did have a couple of fitment issues, but nothing too crazy. Just I had to shave down just a little bit. Hold on, I'll show you. So yeah, I just had to take my Dremel and shave down this corner right here because it was hitting and wasn't allowing the tail light to fully sit properly. Same thing on this side. Yeah, I just had to use my Dremel and shave it down. But yeah, came out nice. The inners, I didn't really have any issues with them. They kind of just bolted on the way they were supposed to. Things looking clean now. I'll show you guys with the lights on and everything, so you guys can see how they look. So that's gonna be it for this video on the Hondita CB7. Let me know what you guys think on the tail lights. If you guys like them or if you guys don't, leave a comment, like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos on the Hondita. Also, I'm gonna be working on my Civic here pretty soon. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.